Well guys, in today's video we bring you the AGM G3 Pro, a rugged smartphone that not only combines resistance and modern technology, but goes one step further and redefines the concept of rugged device because it offers a professional thermal camera, powerful sound system with a volume of 116 decibels, impressive 10,000 mAh battery with wireless charging, and powerful camping light. The G3 Pro looks like it was made for adventures, demanding inspections, fieldwork and situations where other phones just can't stand it, but despite its serious, almost modular appearance, it managed to be surprisingly elegant in the hand and redefined in everyday use. For more details, be sure to watch this AGM G3 Pro video review. The AGM G3 Pro comes in a distinctive yellow packaging, which immediately makes it clear that this is a device for outdoor conditions. The box exudes a minimalistic design with the photo of a smartphone and the name of the model. Inside we find everything we need. Well, first we find the envelope with the AGM G3 Pro Quick Start Guide and a basic documentation, as well as few AGM stickers for those who want to personalize their device. Then there is the smartphone itself. This is USB-C charging cable, and finally fast charger. And that's all you'll need to get started. When you first take the AGM G3 Pro out of the box, it's clear that this is something special. From the outside, the device seems capable of withstanding shocks, drops, water, cold and dust without a hinge, but the first impression, it leaves it not just durable but also intelligent, because behind the robust body lays a package of advanced technologies. With a thickness of only 16mm, which makes it more slimmer than other rugged phones on the market, while the weight of up to 375 grams provides a sense of security and solidity. There's actually a surprisingly reasonable weight for a rugged device in this class, with professional thermal camera, a powerful speaker and a large 10,000 mAh battery inside. The phone feels stable, balanced and secure in your hand, which is extremely important if you plan to spend a long time in the field or in extreme conditions with this phone. Now moving on to the physical features of the phone. The right side of this device boasts a sleek dark grey steel frame which houses 3 buttons. 2 of these buttons are used to adjust the volume, while the third button serves as both the fingerprint sensor and the power switch. On the left side of the phone you will find a SIM microSD tray that supports 2 nano SIM cards on one SIM card, combined with a memory card as you need. A little lower we have this orange programmable button. This button can be customized to perform various functions with the phone or install applications, and can be activated with a single click, double click or long press. So this one button has a total of 3 functions which you can configure according to your wishes. At the bottom of the phone, protected by a rubber cover that guarantees the phone's IP68 rating, we have USB-C charging port, as well as the always welcome 3.5mm headphone jack. Very nice. Now the front of this device features a large 6.72-inch FHD Plus display with a 120Hz refresh rate, which provides a smooth and a fluid experience during everyday use, scrolling, watching videos or navigating more demanding applications. The display is not only large but also very readable, which is crucial when working outdoors because everything you do must be clearly visible. On the top of this screen is a 50MP Ultra HD selfie camera, which is a real delight for photography lovers, With support for 1080 pixel video recording, this camera isn't just for selfies, it's also great for video calls, vlogs and on-the-go recording. The 120Hz refresh rate further contributes to the fluidity of animations, making everyday tasks such as scrolling through the apps or playing games a more pleasant experience. One of the main advantages of this screen is clearly outdoors, maybe not like AMOLED but still very good. IPS technology ensures wide viewing angles, while the brightness is really high enough for text and images to be visible without straining the eyes. With its 6.72-inch display offering excellent color reproduction and a rich contrast, all your favorite YouTube content comes alive in vivid details. Special attention is certainly drawn to the extremely powerful speaker located next to the camera module on the back of the phone, which makes it clear that this is not an ordinary multimedia accessory, but a serious tool for working in noisy and demanding environments. AGM has built a large 5-watt speaker into this device capable of reaching a volume of up to 116 decibels, a level that is rarely seen even in specialized industrial devices. In practice, this means that you will hear the sound of calls, alarms, notifications or messages clearly and loudly even on construction sites, in factories, in strong winds or in traffic noise. Despite the enormous volume, the sound remains surprisingly clear and legible, which spreads in favor of a serious design acoustic system that is not there just to shout, but to be functional when it's most needed. Right below the speaker is a powerful LED flash that also serves as a capping light. This light is bright enough to illuminate your work surface, the road ahead, a warehouse or a campsite in complete darkness. In real work conditions, that means that the AGM G3 Pro can easily replace a flashlight, which is extremely convenient for field work, camping, night inspections or emergency situations when you don't have time to look at the additional equipment. It is precisely such detail that clearly show that this device was designed with a focus on real-world usage scenarios and not just on paper specifications. The centerpiece of the rear module is a professional, high-resolution thermal camera of 512 by 384 pixels, which sets the AGM G3 Pro apart from the crowd of rugged smartphones and turns it into a serious diagnostic tool. This advanced thermal sensor uses 12 micrometers pixel technology, which allows for much more precise reading of thermal differences compared to the standard thermal modules of lower resolution. The wide field of view allows you to capture a larger area in a single frame, whether it's electrical installations, machinery, walls, vehicles, or open space without the need to constantly move and reframe. The thermal camera supports fluid video recording over 25 frames per second, which allows you to monitor thermal changes in real time, even when objects or people are moving. This means that you are not just observing a static image, but you get a real insight into the thermal dynamic of the scene, which is crucial for professional inspections, security checks, rescues, night surveillance, or diagnostic of overheating components. The temperature measurement range covers a wide range of scenarios, from detecting low temperature differences to very high values, which makes this camera equally useful in domestic, technical and industrial environments. In addition to the thermal mode, the AGM G3 Pro also brings the classic photography system led by the 64 megapixel main camera, which captures detail and sharp photos with good color and texture reproduction, whether you are shooting nature, urban scenes or technical details in the field. There is also 2 megapixel macro camera designed to capture small objects and close-up details. In addition, the device supports video recording in 4K resolution, while in the 1080 pixel recording it also offers ACE electronic stabilization, which ensures smooth and stable shots even in motion. Now, to get a feel for camera performance, it's best to check out our sample photos and videos which we took using our AGM G3 Pro, so let's take a look. AGM G3 Pro is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7300, a modern 5G chipset made in an advanced 4nm manufacturing process, which brings a very good performance between energy efficiency and the stability in long-term operations. This processor easily handles everyday tasks such as surfing, navigation, photo processing, using a thermal camera and running multiple applications in parallel, but it also copes equally well in the more demanding situations such as working in the field, long-term recording or using specialized professional applications. You can enjoy smooth multitasking with 12GB of physical RAM plus extra 12GB of virtual RAM when you need a boost. Save your entire library of apps, photos and 4K videos on the massive 512GB of storage, and if that's not enough, expand up to 1TB with a micro SD card for unlimited space. The software side of the story is run by the Android 15, which brings a modernized interface, improved security, smarter resource management, and even better optimization of energy consumption. Gemini AI integrates adds smart assistant features like transitions, content creation, and productivity tools. The system works fluidly without unnecessary accessories and aggressive bloatware, which is especially important for professional use where stability and reliability come before fancy visuals. The integration of Google services is complete and the overall user experience seems clean, fast and focused, which makes the AGM G3 Pro a reliable tool for everyday use. One of the most impressive elements of this device is certainly the huge battery with capacity of 10,000 mAh, which allows for several days of use without a worry about charging, even with the intensive use of navigation, thermal camera, video recording or working in online applications. In real conditions, that means that this phone can easily last several days in the field, and in a more moderate mode of operation it can last much longer. Support for 33-watt fast wireless charging allows to reasonably fast power recovery despite the large battery capacity, while 18-watt wireless charging further increased convenience, especially in a work environment or vehicles where a wireless charger is a simpler solution than a cable. Let's not forget the most important thing: the AGM G3 Pro is designed to withstand even the most demanding conditions on the field, which is confirmed by top resistance certifications. With its IP68 and IP69K protection, this phone is completely resistant to dust, water and even high pressure water jets. In addition, it meets the MIL STD 810H military standard, which means that it can withstand extreme heat, freezing cold or heavy shocks, falls or impacts. When everything is added up, the AGM G3 Pro clearly shows that it is a professional field device that combines powerful hardware, modern software and exceptional autonomy. Specialized functions such as a professional thermal camera and a powerful speaker, creating a tool that is equally useful in everyday life and in extreme conditions. So if you are looking for a phone that can withstand the toughest working conditions while offering serious technical capabilities, stable performance and autonomy you can rely on, this is the smartphone that definitely demands your attention. If you are thinking about getting this AGM G3 Pro, now is the time. You will find the official purchase link below the video. Don't wait too long because promo offers and stocks are limited. So that's all for today's review. Thanks for watching and I'll see you soon in the next one. Until then, bye.